Oh no. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been quite a while since I last uploaded a video, but I've been really missing making my YouTube videos. So I came up with an idea of how I was gonna come back onto YouTube, and that is by uploading a video every single day of the week for you all. Now, to make it that little bit extra special, each one of these videos is gonna be a Halloween themed video, which in my opinion is even better because I absolutely love Halloween. So to kick the week off, we're starting with a makeup look. Now, what makeup look, I hear you ask? Basically, ever since Suicide Squad came out, I have really wanted to dress up as Harley Quinn for Halloween, but I just feel like it's one of those things that's been really overdone, and pretty much every girl in the world has probably dressed up like that. So I was a bit like, dubious, until Birds of Prey came out. And I watched that film the other week. Absolutely insane film. Like, anyone who is into DC or like superheroes or anything like that, like, please go watch it because it's so good and so girl power as well, like, which makes it just 10 out of 10. But basically I was watching that, and the Harley Quinn in that is like a revamped version, so I thought I would give her look a little try today. So keep watching if that's something that interests you guys. Let's get on with the video. Right, so the first thing that I did this morning was I put my hair into 2 French plaits, because in the film she's got like crimped kind of hair. So I thought the best way to do that would be to plait my hair and leave it all day. And fingers crossed it comes out kind of wavy and curly, but you know, you never know with my hair, it might be a frizzy mess, but we'll try our best with it, shall we? And then I've taken all my makeup off, so I've got that fresh face to begin with. And I'm probably going to roll my sleeves up because it's going to get messy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got some white face paint. So this is just off Amazon, search white face paint, and it's just the Snazzaroo one, which I think is like the typical white that like everyone seems to get for Halloween. And then I'm just going to use my beauty blender. Don't worry, I'm going to wash everything before I use it again. Do not stress. Dampen it a little bit and turn myself into a ghost. Oh wow. It's like putting on really pale foundation. I look ill. Now my neck for that full effect. I mean, I think she's got it all over her body, but ain't nobody got time for that. So my name is Leah, and today I will be doing the look of me when I've not taken my iron tablets for a solid week. Step 1 done, and then I'm going to move on to doing the brows. Now, she's got really dark eyebrows in the film. I also feel like this is quite a good look to do because her makeup's so messy, so that has its perks, because if it goes a bit dodgy, like, it's just part of the look. I'm going to be using the Benefit Brow in the shade number 4. It's quite a dark one. Leah Janey are looks don't always go perfect because we don't practice them first, so we're going to go back in with the NYX Tame and Frame, which is my usual brow gel, in the colour Chocolate, because apparently my other one decided that it didn't want to work, so that is what we're doing. I'll just have to put lots on. Bear with me, I'll be right back. I'm just going to take a bit of this colour here from, of this one here, from my Morphe palette, just to make the brows extra, extra dark. And I'm just taking a little brush to do that with. Oh, this is very extreme. The slug brows and the insanely pale face. I think she still has the blue and the red in this film, but I'm gonna copy, because her hair is green and pink, so I'm gonna go for like a green and pink vibe, I think. So I'll start with the pink eye. So I've just got the MUA palette. I don't know what it is. Oh, Silent Disco eyeshadow palette. It's really cheap and it's really pigmented, and I've used it for Halloween quite a lot and it's like fab. So I'm just going to start with this pinky colour here. And just a round brush. And just put that in my crease. And I'm going to sweep it underneath the eye as well. And then I'm just going to take, where's my brush? Oh, a flat brush. And then with this slightly lighter pink here, I'm just going to sweep that across my lid. Again, just sweep away anything that's fallen. Although I don't think it looks too bad if it's like messy underneath. Onto the other eye. So with the same round brush, I am just going to take this kind of bright greeny colour right in the corner and do the same, as in just brush it all in my crease. And again, just brush it underneath my eye. And then with this flat brush, I'm going to take this slightly lighter, more shimmery green and just put that on my actual eyelid. I feel like I sound like I know what I'm doing. Not going to lie, I'm making this up entirely as I go along. Finished! I'm going to take a eyeliner pencil. So this is the Collection eyeliner pencil. It's black. Oh, in number 1 black. I didn't know they had like names when they were just black. Like they're just a black eyeliner pencil, ain't they? Let's be honest. And then I'm just gonna do that, draw that underneath my eye. That's very sharp. Again, not neat. And then I'm just gonna take my little brush again and just blend it. I feel like I'm starting to look like do I do it on the top as well? I feel like no. So again, off Amazon. Oh, it's not even been opened, fresh out the packet. I just got this. I feel like I should take it out of the packet before I show it. One sec. I got this just bright leg. What is wrong with me? Honestly, looking after kids all week is not good for the brain. This Expert Last lip colour. It's NYC. And it's just bright red. 441 if you're being that precise. But, you know, just go into a shop and buy the cheapest red lipstick because they tend to be the best ones. So I'm just going to pop that on. And then do the lipstick trick so that you don't get any on your teeth. Not that it really matters. What I'm going to do is just outline my lips again with the black eyeliner pencil. This doesn't have to be neat, does it? That looks terrible. Leah, where have your artistry skills gone? And then again, from the Morphe palette, open. I'm just going to take this very corner colour, so it's just this really black one here. How do like makeup artists hold stuff in front of the camera this big? It's so difficult. So this one here, and I'm just going to go around the edge of that also. And just kind of drag it down a little bit as well into my lipstick. So lips are done. And then I'm just going to put some mascara on because it's starting to creep me out my face that it looks this dodge. So, oh, I'm so bad. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational, the one I always use because it's the best. I look a little bit more normal now. I mean, normal's probably not the right word, but like for finishing touches, I'm just going to go back in with the black, and she's got a little heart on one cheek, which I'm going to do, And then I may or may not attempt this because I think it's going to be hard, but she has rotten written on the jawline of the other side. We may or may not do that part. Right, we're going to go for it. If it goes wrong, I think that's the makeup done. I'm quite happy with that, I'm not going to lie. Do I look like Harley Quinn? Do I look scary? Now onto hair, and let me tell you, I have gone all out. I've even bought hair chalk so I can dye my, well not dye, but like colour my hair in. It says semi-permanent and it should wash out with 2 shampoos, so I really hope it does because I really don't want to be teaching the kids tomorrow with pink and green hair, so fingers crossed. I'm going to take it out the plaits now and hopefully it's gone wavy. Is it frizzy? Is it curly? Oh, I mean it'll do. It's gone kind of curly. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. I don't know if to try colour it first or put it in the... I think I'll put it in the bunches first. I want to keep some bits forward though because she's got some shorter bits forward. So can I just... I have shorter layers I think somewhere. Let's just find them. Oh, you're short. That's work. That'll do. That'll do. That's the bangs sorted. And into pigtails, which I feel like the messier the better, so that's fine because all my hair really does is messy. This is kind of a vibe. I'm quite enjoying these pigtails with the crazy makeup. Right, on to dyeing. So the green's this side, the pink's this side. So I've got this hair chalk and it comes in lots of colours. Again, just got this off Amazon, searched hair chalk. So I'm going to go with the pink first because I'm a bit scared to do the green. If the pink doesn't wash out, it's not the end of the world. If the green doesn't wash out, I have green hair. Oh, so it says you have to dampen your hair first. And then do I wet the hair chalk? Where's the instructions? Okay, that's better. I've got a black top on that I've had for ages and don't care about. Oh, you don't wet the chalk. Okay, let's give this a go then. I think there's more on my hands than on my hair. Let's go in with the green side. It's all over my hands though, I literally look like Shrek. Yeah, that's gone better than I thought. Oh no. There was gloves in the packet. There was gloves in the packet. Oh, there was gloves in the packet. That means it stains your skin. Oh my goodness, this ain't gonna come off, is it? There was gloves. I was meant to wear gloves. I was meant to wear gloves to do that. I'm gonna have pink hands for like a week. And green. Like I'm gone mouldy. Oh no. It was going so well. What's this for then? Oh, there's another thing that I was meant to use as well. Oh, are you meant to put this round your... I'm such an idiot. You meant to put this round your neck so it doesn't go on your clothes. And there's me just like, woo! Putting it on my hands, putting it on my clothes, willy-nilly. Bloody hell, I'm an idiot. Let's wrap you back up for next time, shall we? It's coloured, it's curled, it's in the pigtails. I'm quite happy with that. And then last, finally, but by no means least, is to do the outfit. Yes, I'm going all out with the outfit as well. Well, not as much as the hair and makeup. I'm kind of doing a makeshift outfit, but it will do. And there we go, the look is complete. Now, I know in the Birds of Prey film, she doesn't wear the jacket and the top, but my friend had one of these from when she dressed up, so how could I say no, really? Wanted to go all out for the video. So that's it, that's the completed Harley Quinn from Birds of Prey look done. So I hope this has inspired you guys to maybe give it a try and dress up as Harley Quinn. I mean, I know we can't really go out anywhere this Halloween, but if you are doing, or if you just fancy doing it, to give it a go around your house, then please do so. I'm actually quite proud of myself to say I just like winged it and did it on the spot. I'm quite impressed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this has given you some inspiration of maybe a look you could do this Halloween, whether you're staying in. I mean, we don't know if we can go out or not, but if you're going out, enjoyed this video. If you have, as always, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment if you fancy, and also subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to get notified every time I post new videos, especially for this week, as there's going to be a new video every single day. Well, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and probably Sunday. Anyway, thanks so much again, guys. I'll see you next week. Oh! I'm so rubbish. I will leave all the products I used in the link in my bio, as well as my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and Twitter. So give those a follow as well if you fancy. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.